Hello everybody and welcome to Wisconsin Wonder Garden. Today is going to be our second episode of Ask Ripley, the series that I'm putting out where you guys can ask me anything. It doesn't even have to be gardening related. Any random question or a question that you have been wanting to ask me, definitely leave it in the comment section down below. In our very first episode, we only got 2 questions, so I'm hoping to pick up a few more this time around. Our first question comes from Slee Stacks Rule, who asked what county we're in. Right now, I'm currently living in Ozaukee County. I really love it. We've been here for about 3 years, and it's great because there's a big culture of artists and musicians and all the kind of stuff that me and my wife love to do together, so it's been a great time so far. The second question comes from Trev M, and this is a question about succulent growing. He asked how can he get his succulents to grow faster. In the winter, he has them under a grow light, and then in the summer, during the growing season, he just puts them up next to a window. Well, actually, Trev, this is a trick question because you don't actually want your succulents to grow fast. While it may seem a little bit contradictory to most planting, the best succulent growth that you'll have is a short and compact growth. If you're having your succulent grow very, very fast, it's going to become etulated. I have a few videos of this on the channel, and it's something that you want to avoid. Slow, compact growth for succulents is the best no matter what. You're going to have better formation of the petals, you're going to have better color, and overall just a healthier plant. So if you're seeing slow growth, don't worry, it's probably actually a good sign. And if they're getting supplemental lighting during the winter like you're telling me, I'm sure they're doing just great. So in all, if you want your succulents to grow faster, take them out of the light. But that won't result in a healthier plant. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for your comments in the last video. Again, be sure that you drop a comment down below with your question. It can be anything. Something funny, something serious, something about me, something about gardening, you name it, just ask it down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great and wonderful gardening adventure. Take care.